notice.
I need time to think it over while I finish up this drink. Proposition makes me remember last time I got back on my feet. I'm on my feet.
Alright guys, as you can see, I am still 3 boards short of having this wall done. I'll tell you what, this is taking forever. So let's head up to the sawmill and put one more pine on there, and hopefully this wall will be done. Keyword is hopefully right there. I think 3 more is all I need. All right, friends, I've got it squared up. It's about 9 3/4 on the thickness. I wasn't paying attention. I was going to do 10-inch boards, but I kind of got carried away back there when I was sawing. I wasn't paying attention there, and we got a little bit shorter on the width than I was after, but it will actually work out okay. Our height is about 14.5 inches. I'll get at least 13 boards out of this, maybe 12, depends on how we do this bottom down here. There's a lot of wane right here on the bottom. I don't know if that'll make a board or not. On the sawmill today, I'm running the Maine Silvertip Turbo 7. I know that's a shocker. That's all I run, guys, but people ask me all the time what blade I run on this sawmill. That's why I'm always repetitive about it. And if you want to order those blades, give Joe Maine a call. His cell phone number is down in the video description. Finally, I got this wall done. I'm gonna let this air dry on the side of the building for about 2 or 3 weeks. Then I'll come back with house wrap on the outside. Then we'll put our metal on top of that. So if I went ahead and put the metal up today and put the house wrap on, I ought to be trapping some of the moisture on these boards. And this is white pine. There's a lot of moisture in there. It will dry pretty fast, but if you don't let it dry, it will have mold on it. That's why I'm gonna let it dry in place for 2 or 3 weeks. Then we'll throw the house wrap and the metal on there and we'll be good to go.